You will be given 5 sentences from which you have to guess the code for the lock. This code will unlock it. Please read all the conditions carefully. Let's see the solution. Let's write down all unique numbers given in blocks. 6, 8, 2, 1, 4, 0, 7, 3. As per sentence 4, the values 7, 3, 8 are incorrect, so possible code values will be from 6, 2, 1, 4, 0. Remaining possible code values are 6, 2, 1, 4, 0. Now moving to S1 and S2, if we consider first block from both, that is value 6, these both conditions contradict each other. So we can conclude that value 6 is not in our final code. So possible code values will be from 2, 1, 4, 0. Remaining possible code values are 2, 1, 4, 0. Now as per S1, only one number is correct and well placed. Only value 2 is present in S1 from our possible code values. Hence, value 2 must be in third block. Remaining possible code values are 2, 1, 4, 0. Now if we move to S5, it has values 8, 7, 0. But values 7 and 8 are not in our possible code values. Hence, value 0 should be in our final code. But as per S5, the number is correct but wrongly placed. So value 0 can be at first or second position. Remaining possible code values are 1, 4, 0. Moving to S3, 2 numbers are correct and wrong placed. Only values 0 and 2 are present in our possible code values. Value 2 is already confirmed to be in third block. Now as per S3, value 0 must be in first block as it was wrongly placed. Remaining possible code values are 1, 4. Moving to S2, it has 2 values from our list, that is 1 and 4. Now S2 says one number is correct but wrong placed. If we consider value 1, it won't satisfy our condition because first and third blocks are already filled. So the only possibility is value 4, which will be at second block. If you like the video, please like and subscribe our channel.